we're at Home Depot, and I think we're gonna go with this for the flooring because this is the Twerkulator on a ratchet night. Just saying. We out. Okay. All right, we're back here at the shop. I'm gonna put that up in here. Gotta do some prep work first. I want to use this channel down here to run wires. We have to take it off as such. Carefully remember how to put it all back on. But yeah, stay tuned. We're about to get this. We got Marty here doing the demo work on the floor today. You know. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah. Women at work, y'all. Twerkulator, baby. On the last few pieces. Come on, get it. Get it, get it.
Oh, there's a screw I couldn't remove, remember?
Yank it. Yank it. Oh, God. Cool. Look at all that shit under there. When we do these buses, y'all, we literally try to get all the nasty shit from 1995 out of here. And we gonna make this floor so much more beautiful than it is. Alright, you guys, don't forget it's always safeties first, and a little product placement for your ass. I literally have marked where I'm gonna cut these pieces so the door, or the floor, sorry, can fit and the door can close. But yeah, the better you prep, the better work you get. Things we do for our twerk, baby. You gotta cut that little piece out so your flooring just goes in there like butter, you know what I'm saying? We got all of the first row in. Had to do some cuts around some things. But as you can see, we got it pretty much all done. We've gone as far as we can go without having to put more pieces in with this ramp. So next step, take this ramp out, see if we can cut some wood around it. I got it though, let's get it. Look at that. 14 hours later, we're down to the last bit. But I am beat. But look at that, I nailed the ramp though. That ramp's looking clean. It's looking clean.